So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn and 4.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot and I will chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in this 4th chain from the hook. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. I'm gonna repeat total of 5 times. Chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, chain 2 and join to the top initial chain. So 5 clusters, which are 3 double crochet and 5 chain 2 spaces. So depending how big or small your bottle is, you decide how many rounds you do. So if it's a small bottle, from this round, you make 3 double crochet or clusters in every space throughout the pattern to shape the bottle holder, if it's a small one. If it's medium size to big size, then we'll go with the next step, which is chain 3 and cluster, chain 2, cluster in every single space. So in every space 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and repeat. In the next space 3 double crochet or cluster, chain 2, cluster throughout the second round. And back to the initial space, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, which is the cluster, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and join to the top chain 3, which is considered as the third double crochet. So this is how it is so far. Now from the next row onwards till the end of the bottle holder or the project, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in every single space. 3 double crochet or a cluster in every space throughout each round till I get the length required of the bottle holder. So chain 3, 2 double crochet in the same space. In the next space, 3 double crochet. In the next space, repeat 3 double crochet. In the next space, same. So I will continue in each round the same way, 3 double crochet in every space, and then I'll come back to show you the next step, which is making of the strap. So here I'm at the end of the 13th round, and this is how it looks so far. You can make it longer or shorter depending again on how big is the bottle. And now we're gonna go to the next step, which is the strap. So for that, I'm gonna slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Okay, and I'm gonna chain 50. Okay, 50 chains are done. So what I'm gonna do next, so this is the starting point, and I'm gonna go to the opposite side here and slip stitch inside. So the yarn is here, slip stitch slowly and slip stitch onto the next stitch as well. So 2, and then turn the chain and slip stitch back into the chain. Okay, and I'm gonna slip stitch in every chain, so till I'm back to the starting point. And slip stitch and fasten off. And this is an easy way to make a bottle holder or a bottle case, no matter how big or small you want it to be. Very fun to make, and it takes roughly 1 hour to achieve for beginners or intermediate. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.